morning students. Today we are going to learn the chapter number 1 of class 8, that is crop production and management. It is an easy chapter in which we are going to learn how we prepare the soil, how we put manure in the soil, how we make the soil manure, how to sow seeds, how to protect the crops from the birds and animals, and then storage and so on things about this crop production and its management. So let's start. There are two main characters in this story, that is Paheli and Bhujo. This is Bhujo and this is Paheli. So let's start chapter. Paheli and Bhujo went to their uncle's house during the summer vacation. So here's a question arises that when did Paheli and Bhujo went to their uncle's house? So its answer will be during summer vacation. Okay, their uncle is a farmer. One more question arises up here, that what was Paheli and Bhujo's father work? So he was a farmer. Then keep on continue. One day they saw some tools like khurpi, sickle, shovel, plow, etc. in the field. Then a question arises in the Bhujo's mind that I want to know where and how we use these tools. So he wanted to know what is the use of these tools of khurpi, sickle, shovel, plow, etc. in the field. So we will know about it later in this chapter only. You have learnt that all living organisms require food. Yeah, we have learned that all living organisms require food for their survival. It is an easy topic which we have discussed so many times when we was a kid also. So let's start what happened afterwards. Plants can make their food themselves, as plants are autotrophs, so they can prepare their food their own. Can you recall how green plants synthesize their own food? Animals, including humans, cannot make their own food. So where do animals get their food from? But first of all, why do we have to eat food? There are so many questions which arises in the mind of Bhujo, that why we have to eat food, where the food of animals come from. So he will get to know what is the answer of these questions. You already know that energy from the food is utilized by organisms for carrying out their various body functions, and such as digestion, respiration and excretion. These are very simple process. We have discussed it in last class 7th. It was our second chapter, reproduction in organisms. We get our food from plants or animals or both. For example, the plant food is the fruits we eat, the vegetables we eat. All these things are what? All these things are plant food. And the drink, we drink the milk, we eat curd, and so many things we use are of the eggs we eat, milk we drink. All these things are animal products. Okay. Since we all need food, how can we provide food to large number of people in our country? This question is a very good question that arises in the Bhujo's mind, that since we all need food, but how can we provide food to a large number of people in our country? As we know, some people die because of this food less in their house, or by not eating food, by not getting food. So this question arises, and it is an easy question. Food has to be produced on a large scale. The amount of food that we eat is only capable for us only, not for others. Okay. So the government which is providing us this food, they are preparing food for themselves and for others also. In order to provide food for a large population, regular production, proper management and distribution is necessary. So what are the methods to provide food for a large population? Regular production, proper management and distribution. These three are regular production. Learn it as it is a question arises. Regular production and proper management and distribution. Okay, so let's start. Agricultural practices. What are agricultural practices? Till 10,000 BCE, people were nomadics. Nomadic are those persons who went from one place to another in search of food, for shelter and for many things and for to fulfill their requirements. Okay, they are known as nomadic persons. They were wandering in group from one place to place in search of food and shelter. They ate raw fruits and vegetables. When people were nomadics, they don't know how to cook the food, as it is a coincidence that people get to know food how to prepare, because there was a fire was burning at a place and a person by mistake leave a fruit in this, and then he wanted to eat that fruit, so he think that its taste is good, and one day he tried and he again burned the fire. He put a cereal grain in it and it also tasted good. So by that process, the process of cooking was invented. It was just invented by nomadic persons only. Okay. And started hunting for animals for food. They eat raw fruits and vegetables as well as they hunt animals for their food. Later they could cultivate and produce rice, wheat and other food crops. Thus was born agriculture. They was just eating some cereal crops or fruits from the trees. By mistake they fall some seeds on the ground. This was the ground and some seeds fall there. So it was raining after some days there and it results a plant up there. So they try to take out those plants and eat them. It really make the invent of seeds that we use regularly. The most commonly used seed is wheat. As all the peoples need to eat wheat, rice and barley. These three are very popular: wheat, rice and barley. Okay, when plants of the same kind are cultivated, it's very important for you. So I am going to make it in a circle. When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place for a large scale is called a crop. It is very important to understand what is a crop. When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, not only 2, 3, it may be 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore. It doesn't matter, but it should be in a large scale, large quantity. When plants of the same kind cultivated at one place only. For example, this is our one place, and here we put 10,000 seeds. So the plants which will grow up here are known as crops. They will be known as they will be knowing as crop. Understood? Okay. For example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grow in the field are that of wheat. For example, crop of wheat means all the plants grow in the field that are wheat. Yeah, it's true. If one plant is of wheat, then the other plants, the remaining parts are also of wheat. You already know that crops are of different types like cereals, vegetables and fruits. These can be classified on the basis of the seasons in which they grow. India is a vast country. The climatic conditions like temperature, humidity and rainfall. What are these? Temperature, humidity and rainfall. These three vary from one region to another. So in this video we are going to know only about this page. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.